5.3. Operating the lights and wipers. In the situations below, the system may not be able to correctly detect the surrounding brightness levels, and may flash or expose nearby pedestrians to the high beam. Therefore, you should consider turning the high beams on or off manually rather than relying on the automatic high beam system. In bad weather, rain, snow, fog, sandstorms, etc. Closing parenthesis. The windshield is obscured by fog, mist, ice, dirt, etc. The windshield is cracked or damaged. The camera sensor is deformed or dirty. The camera sensor temperature is extremely high. Surrounding brightness levels are equal to those of headlights, taillights, or fog lights. Vehicles ahead have headlights that are either switched off, dirty, or changing color, or are not aimed properly. When driving through an area of intermittently changing brightness and darkness. When frequently and repeatedly driving ascending, descending roads, or roads with rough, bumpy, or uneven surfaces such as stone-paved roads, gravel tracks, etc. Closing parenthesis. When frequently and repeatedly taking curves or driving on a winding road. There is a highly reflective object ahead of the vehicle, such as a sign or a mirror. The back of a vehicle ahead is highly reflective, such as a container on a truck. The vehicle's headlights are damaged or dirty. The vehicle is listing or tilting, due to a flat tire, a trailer being towed, etc. The driver believes that the high beam may be causing problems or distress to other drivers or pedestrians nearby. 5.3. Operating the lights and wipers. 209. Notes when using the automatic high beam system. Observe the following to ensure that the automatic high beam functions correctly. Do not touch the camera sensor. Do not subject the camera sensor to a strong impact. Do not disassemble the camera sensor. Do not spill liquid onto the camera sensor. Do not apply window tinting or stickers to the camera sensor or the area of windshield near the camera sensor. Do not place items on the dashboard. There is a possibility that the camera sensor will mistake items reflected in the windshield for streetlights, the headlights of other vehicles, etc. Do not install a parking tag or any other accessories near or around the camera sensor. Do not overload the vehicle. Do not modify the vehicle. If the windshield needs to be replaced, contact your Toyota dealer. 210.53. Operating the lights and wipers. Operating the lever operates the wipers or washer as follows. When Auto is selected, the wipers will operate automatically when the sensor detects falling rain. The system automatically adjusts wiper timing in accordance with rain volume and vehicle speed. 1 or 2. Off. Rain sensing operation. 1 or 2. Low speed operation. 1 or 2. High speed operation. 1 or 2. Temporary operation. 1. For USA. 2. For Canada. The sensor sensitivity can be adjusted when Auto is selected. Increases the sensitivity, decreases the sensitivity. 5.3. Operating the lights and wipers. 211. Washer, wiper dual operation. Pulling the lever operates the wipers and washer. Wipers will automatically operate a couple of times after the washer squirts. The windshield wipers and washers can be operated when the power switch is in on mode. Effects of vehicle speed on wiper operation. Vehicle speed affects the intermittent wiper interval. Raindrop sensor. The raindrop sensor judges the amount of raindrops. An optical sensor is adopted. It may not operate properly when sunlight from the rising or setting of the sun intermittently strikes the windshield, or if bugs, etc. are present on the windshield. If the wiper switch is turned to the auto position while the power switch is in on mode, the wipers will operate once to show that auto mode is activated. If the temperature of the raindrop sensor is 1 FC or higher, or 5F-15 C or lower, automatic operation may not occur. In this case, operate the wipers in any mode other than auto mode. If no windshield washer fluid sprays, check that the washer nozzles are not blocked. If there is washer fluid in the windshield washer fluid reservoir, 21253. Operating the lights and wipers. 5 to 4. Refueling 213. Close all the doors and windows. Set the parking brake. Shift the shift position to turn the power switch off. Turn off the headlights. Fuel type: compressed hydrogen gas. Notes on fueling. Fueling will not be possible if the pressure inside the vehicle's hydrogen tanks is higher than the supply pressure of the hydrogen station. If the hydrogen tanks are more than half full, the vehicle will be unable to fuel at AH35 dispenser. A hydrogen station with AH70 dispenser supply pressure of 50 psi, 70 megapascals, 714 kilograms force per square centimeter, 700 bars, is necessary to completely fill hydrogen tanks. If the fueling cannot be completed due to trouble with the station equipment, call the number indicated on the equipment. 21454. Refueling. Notice: when filling fuel only with compressed hydrogen gas at stations compliant with the Society of Automotive Engineers SAE J1 fueling protocol or laws that may supersede such SAE protocols. If improper fuels are used, the fuel cell stack will be damaged. Do not swing or drop the hydrogen gas nozzle, or subject it to a large amount of force. Doing so may cause damage. If the hydrogen gas nozzle cannot be removed after fueling, it may be frozen to the vehicle receptacle. Wait for the hydrogen gas nozzle to thaw before attempting to remove. Do not pull or rotate the hydrogen gas nozzle forcibly. Failure to follow these precautions may cause damage. Be sure to replace the cap after filling. If foreign material gets in the vehicle receptacle, it may cause damage. Do not put anything sharp such as a screwdriver, blade, or any foreign object into the mouth of the vehicle receptacle. If the vehicle receptacle is damaged, hydrogen gas may leak during fueling. If you notice anything unusual about the vehicle receptacle, please notify your Toyota dealer. If you notice anything unusual with the hydrogen dispenser or hydrogen gas nozzle, please notify the hydrogen station operator. Contact information is usually displayed on the dispenser. 5 to 4. Refueling 215. 1. Press the fuel door opener switch to release the lock. If the ready indicator is on or the power switch is in on mode, the fuel door will not be unlocked. Press the center part of the rear edge of the fuel door. Push inward, then release. The fuel door will slightly open. It can now be opened completely by pulling on the fuel door. Remove the cap and attach it to the holder. Do not press the interlock button. The fuel door sensor may malfunction. 21654. Refueling. If open H2 filler door in a safe place when vehicle is powered off is displayed on the multi-information display. Stop the vehicle in a safe place and press the fuel door opener switch once more with the following procedure. 1. Shift the shift position to 2. Turn the power switch off. 3. Press the fuel door opener switch. If the fuel door lock cannot be released, i.e., if it is damaged, turn the power switch off, remove the trunk inner cover, and release the lock for the fuel door by pulling the lever. Sounds during filling. When fueling with compressed hydrogen gas, noises from gas flowing through the hydrogen gas nozzle and hydrogen tank valves can sometimes be heard. 5 to 4. Refueling 217. Press the center part of the rear edge of the fuel door, closing the fuel door, until it clicks. Confirm the fuel door is completely closed by checking that the fuel door is flush with the body. Safety features. When the fuel door is open, the fuel cell system will not start. When the ready indicator is on, the fuel door will not open. If H2 filler door is open, park your vehicle in a safe place and close H2 filler door is displayed on the multi-information display. The fuel door is open. Stop the vehicle in a safe place and close the fuel door. If close H2 filler door and restart your vehicle is displayed on the multi-information display. The fuel door is open and the fuel cell system cannot be started. Shift the shift position to P and turn the power switch off then. 1. Check whether the cap has been reinstalled. 2. Close the fuel door by pressing the center part of the rear edge of the fuel door until it clicks. If the warning message on the multi-information display turns off at this time, there is no malfunction. However, if the display continues to show, the sensor may be damaged. Have the vehicle inspected by your Toyota dealer.